My name is Len White.
And I'm Zab Johnson.
We're both neurobiologists with expertise in systems neuroscience and the functional organization of the human brain.
And we're co-instructors of one of two courses that's part of the Duke Neurohumanities in Paris Global Education Program, a course entitled The Cultured Brain, the Neuroscience of Perception and Action.
I teach in the first half of the course when we focus on the somatic sensory and motor system and how neural processing of bodily feeling and movement provides a means of grounding our knowledge of ourselves and others. I co-teach with Professor Deborah Jensen, who is one of two faculty who teach in the second course in our program, which is called The Creative Brain, Literature, Arts, and Cognition. Lessons in our course, called Cultured Brain, will be integrated with those from the second course. And in the first half of our program, Professor Jensen and I will lead us through discussions and studies of literature, performative art, Parisian society, and how these expressions of human culture are related to embodied cognition.
In the second half of the course, my colleague and I, Dr. Marianne Wordle, who's at the National Museum of Art and in art history, and I focus on art and vision. And we take many of our excursions into Paris to visit local museums and take the knowledge that we're gaining about the neuroscience of vision into practice in the museums. And we really focus on how we look.
Now, you don't need a background in neuroscience to be successful in our course. Although if you have taken Neuroscience 101, Biological Basis of Behavior, that will give you more than adequate foundation. And likewise, you don't need to speak French. Our courses are taught in English, but some knowledge of the French language will certainly help you get the most out of your time in France.
There's really no better location to study both of these things than Paris in a summer program. So we welcome you to apply for the program.